Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about how to buy and sell copper using BWAP and RSI. So this is one of the important tool we are using for commodity market, and we can use this tool for any commodity trading. Like if you use BWAP and RSI, we can make a better entry in commodities. So all those things I am going to explain through this video. So watch completely this video, then only you will be getting a better idea about how to use this tool and how to make a better entry and exit. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And in the same way, those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin EJ, and you can see a lot of videos related to market, like in both language. You can see in English and Malayalam as well as. So I have uploaded a lot of videos related to market both in English and Malayalam. So here you can see like support and resistance, VWAP and RSI, all those things I have updated already here, and which are the stocks we have selected for long time, and how we can use 200 EMA and RSI for long time or a short time stock selection. Like that, a lot of videos I uploaded. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain how we can trade copper using VWAP and RSI, and how we can take a better entry by using this tool. So for first thing, we have to add copper to our watch list. So you can open any of your application and you can type copper. So once you type copper, you can see copper is coming here, and just add to watch list. So always you have to select the first one, because based on the expiry you have to add to watch list. And when you are going for a commodity market trading, you will be getting like almost 14 hours for trading. Like commodity market will be starting 9 a.m. in the morning, and commodity market will be end only at night 11:30 p.m. So almost you are getting 14 hours for a trading. So that is the advantage of commodity market. Okay, now let me explain about how to set up VWAP and RSI. So for that, first thing is that you have to just click on the copper, and here you can see there is an option for chart. So just click on the chart option. So once you click on the chart option, so just I'll remove my settings. Okay, this is how you will be getting the chart. So here the first thing is that you have to keep the candle as Fibonacci candle. Here you can see. So here you can see. So this candle you have to select. Okay, you have to select this candle. So after that, again you have to go for the time frame will be 5 minutes. Always you have to select 5 minutes for any entry, because 5 minutes or 15 minutes are the best indicator for any intraday position. So I am using 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes is very good for commodity market for intraday position. So that is the reason I am selecting 5 minutes. So after that you have to go to studies. Here you can see an FX symbol. Okay, just click on that. So here you have to type as VWAP. So just go to VWAP. So once you type VWAP, you can see there is a option to select. So just click on that VWAP option. So you can see there is a line is coming here. So this is your VWAP. So now the next thing is that now you have to select the RSI. So again you can go to the FX studies, and here you can type as RSI. So just click on RSI. So here you can see an option for RSI. So just click on RSI, and you can see RSI is added to your chart. So here you have to do some editing also, because we are not going to do any editing, but for RSI we will be doing some editing. So you have to go to the settings here. So in the settings, the period you can see, the period you have to change to 3, and the field will be closed, and rest of things will be saved. Then you can do done. So right now we have done with the VWAP and RSI, and once it is done, you can do one thing. You can save this and keep it for future reference also. Like whenever you want, you can apply for any stock. Once you save and keep, this you can be used very easily. So these are the major things we have to keep like while taking an entry. So the first thing is that you have to select time frame and the candle. Then the third thing is like VWAP and RSI. So these are the major key points for buying copper or any commodity. So these are the major points you have to keep in mind, and you can save and keep. So whenever you are going for an entry, you can use this one for any entry. Okay, now let us see like how we can take an entry by using this tool. So right now we have done with the settings, and now let us see like how we are going to take an entry based on VWAP and RSI. So let us see like today morning, you can see today morning is like 11th September, okay, today. So today we can see like so this area you can see copper is opened below VWAP line. So there was a selling opportunity. So whenever it is going down below the VWAP line, you can make sure that this is going to be a downside. And only thing is that you have to see the RSI value also. If RSI value also is below 20, you can make a sell order. And here you can see from 518 to 517. So almost like 1.5 paisa point movement was happened there. So almost like 2 points movement was happened. So you know, like if it is almost like 2 point means in copper, it is like almost 5,000 rupees, like because the lot size is 2,500 rupees. So here you can see almost 2 points movement, and again here also you can see. So if you could not take this entry, you can wait for the second time to cross. So here you can see there was an entry around 518. So after that you can see the entire day it was moving up. So almost so currently I will show you. So currently I will show you the status. So after that you can see it is crossed the VWAP line, and you can always, whenever you are taking an entry, once it is crossing the VWAP line, you can keep the stop loss just below that. So after that you can see it was almost went to 524. It means almost 6 point movement. So 6 point movement means, you know, like how much? It is like more than 10,000 rupees you can make it from one entry or a one lot. And whenever you are taking an entry, so here if you are taking entry exactly here this area VWAP line, so like you can see like not even 1 point is required for stop loss, because it is not coming to that area. Same thing like in the morning also you can see once it is crossed the VWAP line. So here you can see like the sell also same thing you can see here. So in the sell area also you can see once it is crossed the VWAP line, it was going down. It is not even crossing the VWAP line. So same thing in the buying side also. Like whenever it is going up above the VWAP line, you can go for a buying side, and whenever it is coming down below the VWAP line, you can go for a selling side. So this will be always, it will be applicable. Like you can see yesterday's also same thing happened. It crossed the VWAP line and it was falling down. Like you can see almost 3 points movement. 3 point also you can know like almost 7,500 rupees you can make from there. And the same thing you can see same day you can see like around 6 o'clock you can see it crossed the VWAP line. Again you can see almost 3 to 4 point movement. So this is how it is working out. Here also you can see in the morning, again you can see the same day morning, again cross the VWAP line, like a huge pole you can see here also. Again if you want, you can see the next day also. Here also it is cross the VWAP line. Again you can see almost 2 to 3 points movement. So here it is a down, and here you can see almost 2 points movement. So this is how it is working. So this tool is very good. Like if you are using for a commodity marker, this tool will be helping you to take a better entry, and you can reduce your stop loss also. Like if you are taking an entry exactly on VWAP line, you can keep the stop loss just maybe 1 point below the VWAP line. So the loss will be very less. And the same way you can see in my group also I have provided the same code. So this is the Telegram channel I have started to help the beginners. Like those who are interested to join this group, you can join. You can see a lot of people are already joined, and those who are interested to learn those who are interested to learn more about market, you can join here, and this group is absolutely free. And here also you can see like Nifty also I will be giving like all the updates I will be giving related to market, like Nifty update, even commodity updates, everything I will be giving to this market. And here you can see like I have mentioned same thing, okay. So I will show you. So here I have mentioned like copper is on a buy side. So exactly on, like you can see the price also here. So I told to buy around 518. So that is the buying price. Here you can see that it was in a buying side. It was just crossed the VWAP line. So that time only I marked and I told copper is on a buying side. You can see here copper is on a buying side, and even I have taken an entry also. You can, because always we have to book the profit also. If it is like 1 point or 2 points, so whenever there is a profit is done, we have to book, because we know like if you are getting 1500 rupees or 2000 rupees in a day, that is a good amount. So that is what I see, because I don't go for a huge profit. Always if there is a sufficient profit, I will book the profit and exit the position, because we can't even 100% we can say it will go to 5 points or 10 points. So like once it is done like 2000 rupees or 1500 rupees, always try to book the profit. And here you can see like almost I could make almost 1750 rupees I could make it from that. And you can see that after that you can see the same thing I have marked also. There is a huge movement, because after I said from VWAP line, you can see from it is moved from VWAP line, almost 3 points movement happened from there. So 3 point also, if you are waiting for a longer time, you can make like almost 7000 rupees 500, because the lot size is 2500 rupees. So here also you can see like it is moved from 518 to 523. So almost 5 point movement was happened there. So this is a major tool we can use for commodity trading. So if you want, this tool we can apply for any commodity trading. Okay. So this is not only working in only in copper. This tool we can use for any commodity trading, and this group will be absolutely free. Like if those who are interested to learn more about market, and if you want more update about market, you can join this group, and link I have mentioned in the description as well as in my comment also. So you can visit my comment box or my description and you can join this group. So this group will be absolutely free. So hope today's topic is clear, and if you need any clarification related to this topic, or if you have any feedback, you can comment below this video. And the same way, I have created this video to help the beginners. Like I have seen like lot of people are going big in advisories or lot of Telegram group, because they are following blindly to the people who are giving code. So that is a major motto. I am creating this video to make others learn and earn the money. So that is the best thing we have to do in the market. Like if an expert gives a call also, you have to analyze with your own chart. Then only you have to take. Like if some people are telling 100% also, you should have an answer why I am taking this call. If there is sometimes we can see there is a stop loss hitting, and you should understand why this stop loss is hitting. Am I taken right entry? So you should ask yourself, and you should learn also. Like if somebody is giving a call, why they are giving a call, and why I am getting stop loss hunting. So all this answer should be there in your mind. So that is a major reason I am creating this video, and people should be aware how we have to take an entry and exit, and don't follow others' call. So always try to learn and take your own call. So that will be because there won't be anyone to help you lifelong, because you have to learn. And if there is no one like tomorrow, how can we take a trade? So always we have to be prepared by ourselves, and we have to start trading. So that is a major motto of this training purpose. So and in the same way, like those who are interested to open account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can open the account. Link I have mentioned in the description. So those who are interested for trading, you can come to trading and you can open the account also, because the link I have mentioned in the description. So hope today's topic is clear, and if you need any clarification or any support, you can contact me. So if you are really satisfied with this topic, so kindly like my video, and the same way you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.